What's this? Bike. This is a bike. The bike has two wheels, one, two. We get a bike to ride a bike. What's this? Sign. The sign is on top of a pole. You can see outside. You can see outside. When you going somewhere, sign. What's this? Jar. The jar has a lid. We can put inside the jar. What's this? Slide. The girl is slide down and the slide is yellow slide. What's this? Tiger. The tiger is animals we can see in the zoo. What's this? Strawberry. Strawberry is red. It's yummy. It's good to eat. We eat strawberry. What's this? Toast. Toast of red. Red is hot. We can put butter. We can put butter on a toast. What's this? Wagon. We can put the wagon and we can put a wagon. What's this? Camera. We can take picture with the camera. What's this? Umbrella. The girl is under an umbrella. This is an umbrella.